Hello, my name is Jasmine. I'm the owner of Willow and Pine Studios, a graphic design and marketing agency. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make and customize a linking platform for yourself and your business. Now, you may have seen that recently a lot of content creators and social media marketers are saying do not use linking platforms like Linktree. Now, this is due to the fact that you can create your own linking page on your website. It directs people directly to your website and you have more control over the look and design of it. This is great, however, only if you have a website. So what do you do if you don't have a website? So that's where I'm going to show you what you can do. One, you can use a linking platform like Linktree. I'm here to tell you that there is nothing wrong with Linktree. Use it if you want to. However, it doesn't give you the customization that you can get from your website or what I'm going to show you today. All you need is Canva and it's completely free. You don't even need the pro version. So let's jump over to Canva and let's start creating a link for your business, completely customizable, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, so what you're going to do is go over to Canva and then you're going to look across the top here past your For You and look for websites. If you can't see it for any reason, look in the search bar, websites. When I first started doing this, Canva didn't actually have any link in bio templates, but there is heaps to choose from now. I'd suggest using them because they already have the links in place. However, if you want to start one from scratch, you can. So we're going to look up bio link websites. This is going to bring up a whole bunch of templates. If you don't want to use a template, like I said, that is totally fine. So I'm going to scroll down and find one that I like. I am going to customize it completely though. However, you can start this from scratch. I really like this one, how simple it is, but how effective it is, especially with that profile photo. And then I'm going to go customize this template. Awesome, so what we're going to first do is completely overhaul it. I like to start with the photo and work from there. So we'll click on the photo. We'll go to uploads. You're going to upload a photo that you are going to use. And once you put it in, you're going to drag it over to the circle or whatever template you're using and you let go and it drops it straight in. And there we go, our photo is in the circle. Now I'm going to work on the background. I do like the blurred, however, I would like to change it to make it my own. And I use this image all the time that I use in my branding consistently, so I'm going to use it in this as well. Beautiful, I really like that. Now, obviously, going to change the name. I'm actually going to put in my logo into this specific place. However, you can just write in your name or your business name in there. Now, if you move an image, this always comes up with Canva. It thinks that you're trying to put it into a selected area. So move it, let go, Control Z or undo. And it will just place it down and then you can move it again. It'll happen again and again. It is a glitch that Canva has. It thinks that it knows what it's doing, but it doesn't. All right, so I'm happy with where that's placed. And I'm going to go and change these links because that's not exactly what I'm having in my links. Best thing about this, you can change the font. You can change the color of the font. You can change everything about it. So I'm going to give it a change. I'm just going to go through, change all these links to exactly what I want, and we'll check back in then. Alright, there you go. I have all my different links that I want in there. Now, if you want to create another link as well, if you want more than 4, if you want more than 5, you're going to click on it, Control C for copy, Control V for paste, or just right click copy, right click paste, and then move it to where you want it. I'm not going to do that. I don't need it. So I'll just delete that. Okay, now actually connecting a link to your links here. I'm actually going to link my logo first. Now this is something that I don't see a lot of. I'm going to pop up on the side here and we're going to write in the link exactly whereabouts it's going. And enter. And we're just going to work down the list and link them to the linkable place. Alright, there we go. I've just added in our last link. What we're going to do is we're going to change the name. I'm going to go Willow and Pine links, and preview. Just gives you a quick idea of what exactly it's going to look like. Now, really important, up the top here in the top left corner, it has resize on mobile. You want this selected. Otherwise, if someone brings this up on their mobile, it's not going to show up correctly. And let's check it out on the mobile. This is how it's going to look. I love it. Now, I totally forgot until I just looked at this. This is why you need to be checking over your work, is that I actually haven't put a link to my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Now, I don't use Twitter, so I'm just going to get rid of that completely. So we're going to go close, and we're going to do the same thing, link. Now, the Facebook and Instagram aren't center anymore, so I'm going to click one, hold shift down, which will mean that I can click another thing at the same time. There we go. Now I can move both of them at the same time, center with the circle photo. Now let's preview it one more time before we hit that publish button. And you can actually test it out from here. Make sure all your links are correct. You do not want a wrong link. It will just deter people from ever going in further, and they will not actually continue looking. Beautiful, all my links work. So from there, we're going to hit the publish website. If there's anything else you want to change it now. However, you can change it later as well. And we are going to use a free domain. This way we don't have to pay. Now see over here, browser tab preview, Willow and Pine links. That's what I called the document. It's really important because if you keep it the template, it will stay the template name, and that's how it will appear to anyone who goes to it. And publish. There you go. Now there is your links. However, the URL, the free URL that Canva give you is really long. And some people may see it and go, this is strange, especially if you already have your own website and you decide to go down this path. But what you can do is click on it. You're going to copy. You're going to go to a URL shortener, and the best one that I like to use is Bitly. Now, Bitly is free, however, you can pay for customizable links. So it's really whatever you decide to do. So we're going to go get started for free. And free. Now you will have to log in. So you're going to go over to create new. Link. And you're going to paste that one that was in Canva that you copied before. I'm going to title it Willow and Pine links, and you're going to go create. And there we go, bit.ly/Willow and Pine links will now bring you up to our website that we have just created. Now what you do is you can copy that link and place that into your Instagram bio, your Facebook bio, your TikTok, YouTube, whatever you need to. You can go in there and it will take you to that link page. Alright, now loading up on our phone, there we go. It is beautiful. It is exactly what you wanted. Now you are going to have this designed with Canva at the bottom. That is totally fine, especially if you're not wanting to use money. You don't have to. And it links directly to what I want it to. So there you go, a completely customizable and free way that you can create a link in bio. It would really help me and my channel a lot if you would take the time to subscribe, comment, and like so that other people can find me and we can grow and expand into a bigger community. And if you want to find my socials, I am just Willow and Pine Studios on Instagram and TikTok. I hope that this video has helped you in some way understand that you don't actually have to have that link in your website if you don't have a website. Especially if you're selling from a platform like Etsy if you're a product-based business, or just decide not to have a website. Until next time, bye.